Reaction about this asshole Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo. Sorry for my word. Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo. You need to face your consequences. However, if I made this YouTube blog, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo. Do not do that again, Best Pills. Arnel G. Castillo, I know I was very mad, I was very angry, I was very disappointed. Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, it's too late. People are complaining against you. If you want to say sorry, you must ask your own lawyer, Best Pills. Arnel G. Castillo, Best Pills. Arnel G. Castillo, if you want to say sorry to those people, you must post on your Facebook. You must apologize to Vico Soto. Not in social media, personal. Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, I will not remain my silence about your apologies. Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, you are a criminal. Because right now, I told to my lawyer to lawyer. Oh, my lawyer there is Attorney Arceo. Oh, I am ready to file my complaint affidavit against you, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo. Because I don't know where is your address anyway. Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo. Your allies, Gina Sejo and Victor Martin Soriano, there will be no choice. So see you, three of you in the court. Because Christian Mengito was not able to come to Metro Manila. He's in Cebu now. He's having a online hearing in Pasig via Zoom. Christian Mengito will have an online hearing in Zoom while he was in Cebu. While you will see in the court, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, Gina Sejo, and Victor Martin Soriano, because right now there is in court. In the court. I mean, I'm just ordinary cat whisper. I'm just taking care of my cats. I'm not making cyberbullying in social media. So for me, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, Gina Sejo, and Victor Martin Soriano, three of you must face in the court. Because three of you have filed a complaint affidavit. This affidavit was complained by Shania Kiana. All right. Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo. People are complaining at you. So see you in the court. There's Vico Soto. There's Amalia Zakirova. There's Teacher May Tiburcio. Even Teacher Marisa Conche. But Teacher May Tiburcio will attend the hearing against Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo. There's Teacher Marisa Conche. There's Shania Kiana. See you in the court, Best Pills. Arnel G. Castillo, it is better to you. It's going to be in a hard way to reply your own counter affidavit. You know, best pills, Arnel G. Castillo, you're going to jail. So you need to go to the court and fix the allegation that what you have done to Vico Soto, the mayor of Pasig City. This is better for you, best pills, Arnel G. Castillo. Makipag-areglo ka na. That's why you need to have agreement with Vico Soto. You know, Vico Soto is a lawyer. Oh, you do not call him bastos or rude. As of now, best pills, Arnel G. Castillo, in my YouTube blog, you are ready to be sued by by Pasig City Prosecutor's Office. Because you cannot have a lawyer, best pill, Arnel G. Castillo. Oh, you know what, Arnel Castillo, best pill? You can't have a lawyer. Because right now, best pills, Arnel Castillo, it's time to end your cyberbullying and your nonsense in social media, especially Eugene Asejo and Victor Martin Soriano.